Hello, welcome to Tropicana Aman Urban Farm. Today I would like to introduce to you the farming technology that introduced by Irritex and Berhad. First of all, I will introduce to you an IoT system named NIDO. NIDO is a very simple and very convenient IoT system that is able to control all the important parameters in your farm such as pH, EC, temperature, humidity, VPD and water level. So it's almost like a plug and play. It's very simple. So number two, I would like to introduce to you a semi-dry fogging system from Japan, from the company named Ikuchi. The set that we are bringing here is called Cool Pescon. This is a very effective semi-dry fogging system that deliver the fogging at a very small tiny mist or fog at the 10 to 30 micrometer. So it's almost not going to wet your plant and all your equipment. I will demo to you and showcase to you the fogging afterward. So and let's go into the greenhouse. The third technology that I'm going to show you is a automatic hydroponic system named Autopods. The Autopod is we call it a plant-driven system. What it means plant-driven? This means the plant is going to decide how much water and fertilizer they're going to take. So the whole system is controlled by a valve called smart valve. It's 100% run by gravity from the raise up tank there. And when there's the pot is empty, the valve will start to trigger and start to fill up the water from the 100% gravity without any water. Without any water pump. Imagine that the water is empty. When you leave it in the pot, they will start to fill up the water automatically. So during the hot day or the plant is bigger, so the valve will open more frequent, more water and fertilizer will be fed to the plant. And last, so I have been showing you three technology. One is the NIDO IoT farming system. Number two is a Ikuchi semi-dry fogging system. Number three, Autopod system. At the same time, also from Irritex, we are trying to combine the two technology together, namely the NIDO and Ikuchi together. So our Ikuchi semi-dry fogging system can be controlled by IoT. I will demo to you now. So on the top, we're fixing all the nozzle, the semi-dry fogging nozzle. From here, it's been linked to our NIDO controller. So it's fully automatic and controlled by the humidity and temperature, but now I will show you by force dose and manually on it through our NIDO mobile app. It's under a device named humidity. I will click the humidity on now. So you can see the fogging will be start on. Software will be continue to shoot the video. You will see just within less than 10 seconds, they will start to create the fog. And for your info, this Ikuchi semi-dry fogging system can be used not only for the humidify the greenhouse, at the same time cool out the greenhouse, and most important thing, the Ikuchi semi-dry fogging system can be used for pest and disease control. That means it can be used to spray the pesticide. So I believe that the video will start, can't see me because the surrounding of me is full with fog. So can you see me? So I don't think you can see me now because I can't see the camera now because it starts to fill with all the fog. But at the same time, I don't feel wet because the fog is so much small at the 10 to 30 micrometer. It's very small. Okay, you can let the camera move around the greenhouse. You can see now we are not in any highland or temperate area. Here is down near to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, at the daytime temperature of close to 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, thank you very much.
Cool.